My wife banned me from buying more Amazon car junk. Then I showed her these 15 insane car gadgets. She stole number 7 for her own car.
Wireless charging phone mount. First up, a wireless phone mount. If your phone is sliding around in a cup holder while you're using maps, that's already a bad setup. A good mount fixes visibility, keeps the phone stable, and charges it while you drive, so you're not arriving with 2% battery in blind panic.
Dash cam. A dash cam is one of those things you hope you never need, right up until the moment you really do. Good ones now give you clear footage, better night performance, and even parking protection if someone hits your car and disappears. Portable jump starter. Then there's the portable jump starter. This is one of the best future me will thank me purchases. Dead battery, empty parking lot, no jumper cables, no second car, problem solved in minutes. Portable tire inflator? A portable tire inflator saves you from driving on a slow leak, hunting for a gas station compressor, or pretending the warning light will magically go away. The good ones have a digital pressure readout and auto shutoff, so it's basically idiot-proof. OBD2 Scanner. Next, an OBD2 scanner. Check engine light comes on, and instead of spiraling, you plug this in and get an actual code. It won't replace a mechanic, but it can absolutely stop you from walking into the shop completely blind. Portable CarPlay? If you drive an older car, a portable CarPlay or Android Auto screen is probably the cleanest upgrade on this list. No tearing apart the dash, no full head unit install, just modern maps, music, calls, and a way better driving experience instantly. Mirror dash cam with backup camera. A mirror dash cam with backup camera is such a cheat code for older vehicles. You get a clearer rear view, easier parking, and dash cam recording in one piece of gear, which makes it feel way more premium than the price suggests. Emergency escape tool. An emergency escape tool is tiny, cheap, and hopefully never used. But if you ever need to cut a jammed seatbelt or break a side window in seconds, this becomes the best $10 you ever spent. Fast USB-C car charger? A fast USB-C car charger sounds boring until you use a weak one and realize your phone is somehow losing battery while plugged in. A proper high-output charger fixes that immediately, especially if you're running maps, music, and a bright screen at the same time. Trunk organizer? A trunk organizer is not exciting, and that's exactly why it's great. Groceries stop rolling around, tools stay where they belong, and your emergency gear stops vanishing into the corners of the trunk like it's in witness protection. A car trash can? A car trash can just keeps the car from turning into a mobile junk drawer. That's it. It works. Move on. Seat gap filler? A seat gap filler solves one of the dumbest recurring problems in any car. Phone drops, keys disappear, fries enter another dimension. It's a tiny fix, but once it's there, you never want to drive without it again. Handheld car vacuum? A handheld car vacuum is perfect for the kind of mess that makes a car feel older than it is. Crumbs, dust, pet hair, dirt in the seams, all of it. You don't need a full detail setup. You just need something quick enough that you'll actually use it. Car emergency kit? A solid car emergency kit is still one of the smartest things you can keep in the trunk. Flashlight, gloves, first aid basics, warning gear, and a few just-in-case items that matter way more at night, in bad weather, or far from home. Windshield Sun Shade. And finally, a Windshield Sun Shade. Not flashy, not trendy, just brutally effective. It helps cut cabin heat, protects the interior, and stops your steering wheel from feeling like it came straight out of a forge. These are the car gadgets that make your car feel smarter, safer, and way less stressful to own. And if there's one car gadget you swear by that should have made this list, drop it in the comments.